Okay, I am moving. I have packers here, movers, packing all my stuff. They're taking it to Steven's house. I've downsized a lot. And I don't know. What should we say? Anything? They're very quick.
Yeah, they're very quick.
They're very quick. They've been here a half hour.
We got nothing in there either.
They've been here a half hour and they're like, I already packed like 10 boxes. Like it took me 4 hours to pack 3 boxes. Look at that. Everything's like, they're gonna be done in a half hour.
Okay, so the piano, baby grand piano, is being boomed, craned, whatever, from my garage over the top of the house. She goes to back there, the back deck, porch, whatever. Pretty impressive. The guy was saying that, well, they came from Boston, all the way from Boston, and he said this is what they do in the brownstones out in Boston because they can't get in the back, so they just do it from the street. He said this boom goes up 90 feet, so he said he's got plenty of room. So we're just gonna go to cool video of this because this is really neat. And I'm out of the house just in case they drop it because I don't really want a piano coming through while I'm upstairs. Jeez, that's up there high. Holy crap. Can't even get in the picture. I get to way, 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 way back. Zoomed out all the way here. That's a piano up there. Holy crap. That is pretty wild. See the guys in the back deck now, they're getting ready to bring the thing in. Almost in position. See, what I thought they were going to do is I thought they'd like put in their little truck, drive around and back over here and then come from the back. But really not. Here she comes, going down. That was the fun, exciting part. So that's about it. That's how they move a piano into a 3rd-story house. From the front yard to the backyard with not a sweat. 90-foot boom. So I'm gonna go up and show these guys where to put the piano now. Just for you, Mary Beth. You could be here to see this, so.
Give it a shot.
is the experience. I've done this before.